Today's video will address the difference between actual and constructive knowledge in a slip and fall case. Brought to you by Mullen Mullen Law Firm of Dallas, Texas. If you've been injured due to a slip and fall at a business, one of the first issues you'll face when making a claim is whether the business knew or should have known about the danger. If the business knew about the danger, it's called actual knowledge. If the business should have known about the danger, it's called constructive knowledge. Depending on the situation, you and your lawyer will need to establish one or the other to win your case. Actual knowledge is usually harder to establish than constructive knowledge. But here are a few examples that could establish actual knowledge, such as employee statements where they admit to knowing about the dangerous condition prior to your fall. Or if one of the employees created the dangerous condition, like fresh mopping a floor and not putting up a caution sign, then that's actual knowledge. Or demonstrating that an employee attempted to clean up a spill but did so in a negligent manner is another example. Constructive knowledge comes into play if you are an invitee or a customer of a business. Fortunately, constructive knowledge is usually easier to establish. There are many examples where constructive knowledge could apply. If employees were working near where you fell or had a view of where you fell, it is easier to suggest the spill should have been managed somehow. Most retail employees have a duty to monitor their surroundings to discover dangerous conditions. Was the spill super obvious? A large puddle of beer on a white floor should have been discovered, whereas a small clear spill on a blue floor could have easily been missed. The passage of time is another detail used to establish constructive knowledge of a dangerous condition. For example, slipping and falling on congealed ice cream may mean the ice cream had been there a long time and could be established as constructive knowledge. Establishing actual or constructive knowledge in a lawsuit is challenging and requires a detailed discussion of the unique facts and circumstances of your case. The Mullen Mullen Law Firm employs a full-time investigator who will gather evidence to aid your slip and fall claim while you focus on getting back to your normal life. If you've been injured in a slip and fall, call the Mullen Mullen Law Firm for a free case evaluation right away.